Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the while loop event in Dalfin's workflow to automate processes based on user input. To begin, drag and drop a UI trigger into the workflow. Provide a meaningful title and description. Select the required method, menu, and window. Choose the location where the trigger should be placed. Here, we are selecting Toolbar. Then, save the trigger. Next, pull in the while loop event block. Add a title and description, then save it. Click on Configure while loop, then set up the if block, which determines when the loop should break. Click Edit in the if block. Provide a title and description. Navigate to the Settings section, where you can add a condition to break the loop. This condition can be configured using either the form method or data carry calculation. For example, if we want the loop to break when the amount equals 10,000, we use the form method. Select the System, Menu, Window, Field, and Relation. Choose the value type, either static or data carry. Since we know the loop should break at 10,000, we select static, input 10,000 as the value, and save the configuration. Now, pull in the Create a Record block. Provide a title and description. Configure it by selecting the System, Menu, and Window. In the Data settings, ask the user to input the amount. Add title, quantity, description, customer name, customer email, discount, and final amount statically. Once everything is configured, navigate to the window where the trigger is placed and execute the workflow. First, input an amount, for example, 100, and save it. The loop will continue. Enter another amount, for example, 10,110. It will still ask for input. Finally, input 10,000, and the loop will break. The previously defined static data will be recorded along with the user inputted amount. This is how you can configure and use the while loop event in Dalfin's workflow to control iterations based on conditions. Thank you for choosing Dalfin.